Hello guys, so again today guys we have another sneaker vlog. So again guys, last time we did unbox and check the Jordan 4 Lightning, which is eto siya guys, diba? Last time we did unbox with this Jordan 4 Lightning. And today's vlog guys, again it's another Jordan 4 Retro. So it's already in our thumbnail. Of course, the Jordan 4 Retro Shimmer women's release. Yes guys, actually it's a women's release. I have a size 8.5 here in women's. Male, this is around 7. I think this is 7. So you cannot do on foot on this guys. Sobrang liit. So pambabae lang talaga siya. But instead, we will compare for the off-white because I saw a lot of comparison between, they compare this regarding the off-white and this shimmer. So instead, we will on foot guys, we'll compare for the off-white Jordan 4 sale. So ayan guys, the official color, the official name, which is Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Shimmer Metallic Silver, ang official color for the name or for the official colorway. Yan. So again, it's a white box. So I believe most of the Air Jordan 4 Retro, they comes with a white box. So I'm not sure of that, but mostly I saw in the online, it's all white box. So ayan guys, check natin ang details ng Jordan 4 and let's compare with the off-white. So again, let's start unbox now guys with this Jordan 4 Retro. So eto na. Yan, ito agad makikita nyo guys. Ang paper nya, which is another paper similar with the Jordan 1 lows na nakalagay 23. And yan, so eto siya guys. So, di ba? So, eto ang ating pair guys, the Jordan 4 Shimmer. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Ayan siya. Oh, di ba? Check pa natin ito isa guys. I hope I got a size 9, but ayan, it's too difficult to get a size 9 pero guys, or size 11 and a half for the women. So minus 11, 10 and a half. No, 10 and a half na. Yeah, 10 and a half pala. So 10 and a half or 11. Yan. Because I like size 9 and a half on Jordan 4. So let's try guys. I cap this one because maybe pwede natin siyang i-trade. Let's find a size 9 or 9 and a half on this pair guys because I like this colorway guys. Ayun, napaka malamig niya sa mata, di ba? Kaya nga pang babae talaga. Pero ang ganda niya guys. Again, you have your white lace, the original white lace. Comes already with the white lace. And you have your purple. Yeah, like a purple lace. Yan. So, basahin natin siya guys. Ang material niya, which is, ito, check natin ang material. The Air Jordan 4 Shimmer with the women's release arrives with the battery design, Duraback upper, and the semi-translucent wings, which is this one, and the monotone orange bronze heel tab. So yan, monotone orange with the heel tab. So this one guys, in place of the classic Jordan Flight tongue patch with the metallic Jumpman. So yan, metallic Jumpman guys, and the logo in contrast to the softened tones in the design. The women's exclusive Air Jordan 4 Shimmer released in September of 2021 with a retail price of $190 US. So, ayan guys, yan ang pagkakasabi doon sa StockX nakalagay dito. So, September 3. It will release September 3. Yan. So, ano ba tayo ngayon? 11? So, yan. 1 week na pala guys. So, for me, the material is nice guys. I like the material. So, eto nga lang talaga dito. Kapag tumagal, nagiging yellowy siya. So, depende lang guys kung paano nyo alagaan ang inyong Jordan 4. So, ayan. Let's try to compare with the Jordan 1. Ito, ang ating yun. Ito yung size 9 talaga. Actually, this is also a women's release guys. The Jordan 4 off-white. Tingnan ko gaano kaliit yung kaliit na agwat, diba? Sayang. Pero, let's try to cop this in a Jordan, in a size 9 or 9 and a half para ma-on foot natin one day. So, ayan. Ito ang ating Jordan 4 na off-white. They compare guys. So, first, yung sa tab niya. This is a translucent from the Jordan 4 na off-white. Ito nga yung sa ano, medyo may pagka-orange nga daw, di ba? Then, of course, the net is translucent. Dito translucent, similar with the wing. So sa Shimmer, it's white, totally white guys. This is white, it's not as translucent but it's a white. Yan, ito white siya. That ano pa, ayun, pinagkaiba niya guys. So dito parang off-white nga yung color or beige or something sa area na to, sa upper sole niya. About the Shimmer is orange, similar like an orange guys dito sa upper wing niya. Then of course ang yung outsole. Yan, for the outsole, check the outsole guys. For the off-white, ayan makita nyo, translucent this area, gum type. But for the Shimmer, it's almost ultra gum in dito area. And only this one, it's a white, but it's jump on. For the off-white, it's Nike logo. Yan, ang pagkaiba guys. And for the material guys, of course, still I love the material from the off-white. It's more soft guys. Napaka-soft ng material ng off-white compare for the Shimmer. But both guys, I like both of these sneakers. So ayun nga, finger cross na lang makakuha tayo ng size 9 or maswap natin to in size 9 o 9.5. So ayun guys, ang masabi ko sa ating pair for today, which is the Shimmer. So ayan, again, wala tayong on foot. So shoutout na lang kay Dudong o kay Seth sa ating pair for today na Jordan 4 Retro. So Pops, angas Pops, pero napalalahanap lang tayo ng ano nito, paswap. Baka man naman dyan, sino may swap ano dyan, size 9, 9.5, swap po tayo. Sabi ganun eh. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today. Again, our pair for today is the Jordan 4 Retro Shimmer. Yan. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today. Ayun, flex time. First, I want to flex si Seth o si Dudong dito sa pair natin. So ayan daw, maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo dito na makakuha tayo ng pair ng Shimmer. Of course, ang ating team, which is Team Positive, shoutout to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. At syempre kay Palaboy OFW na ilang araw nang walang kain, hindi na nag-upload, ano nangyari doon? Busy, baka busy lang yun. So yun. At sa ating camera dito sa taas na si Brian Puntanar. So yun, maraming salamat, thank you, maraming salamat, thank you na, and mabuhay.